oil of the U.S. are currently formed.
We led the nation in recovery, as a matter of fact, we also led the nation in the worst situation, which is one out of every 5 of us that did not have a job.
In Pennsylvania, neighbors who clashed over drilling for natural gas find common ground, opposing an unexpected byproduct, air pollution.
If my water well went bad, I could choose not to drink that water. I could buy bottled water. You can't do that with air. We all breathe the same air.
These stories and more coming up here and now.
The news is first.
From NPR News in Washington, I'm Lakshmi Singh. President Obama is trying to shift the nation's focus back on the economy. In North Carolina today, he will allow rural cities to establish hubs across the country that would attract high-tech manufacturing jobs.
A lot of companies around the world are starting to talk about bringing jobs back to the United States, bringing jobs back to places like North Carolina, partly because we've got cheap energy costs, we've got the best workers in the world, we've got the best university systems in the world, we've got the largest market in the world.
Obama embarked on his latest economic tour hours after a report on wholesale prices showed an increase last month. Here's NPR's Dave Mattingly.
The Labor Department says wholesale prices went up 0.4% in December, fueled by costlier gasoline and home heating oil. After 3 consecutive monthly declines, economist Hugh Johnson says the jump in prices isn't such a bad thing.
You want a little bit of inflation, not a lot of inflation, a little bit of prices. And if you have a little bit of a rising prices, companies will probably respond to that by having rising profits. And secondly, they'll start to expand their employment base.
Over the past year, prices have risen at a pace well below the Federal Reserve's inflation target of 2%. Dave Mattingly, NPR News, Washington.
Further exposing the scope of activities by the nation's intelligence agency, the New York Times is reporting National Security Agency has infiltrated an estimated 100